in the business transactions class, it was mentioned that gold and silver should not be purchased using a credit card, but dates, etc., can be bought using a credit card. Yes, because this is in the hadith. The Prophet ﷺ told the companion, okay, you can pay the dirham, why we said the gold, silver not allowed? Because now, what is the meaning of money? It is gold and silver. Money means gold and silver. Now, what is common? Yes, I will not go in details. Financially, is it really gold and silver or not? But now we consider the money as gold and silver. So that's why it is not allowed to buy the gold through the visa. Okay, but to exchange the money with food, this is okay. If it is the same, if it is not the same amount, and also if it is not at the same time. But salt and salt, it should be the same time, the same amount. Dates and dates should be the same time and the same amount. Barley and barley, the same time, the same amount.